Hi, my name is Marjanen from GrainSense. We're a Finnish technology company and we have developed a handheld grain quality analyzer. And I will quickly show you a demonstration how it works. The device is about 900 grams. It works on just normal AA batteries. And you can measure whatever type of variety that we have calibrated, which will be different calibrations in the future as well. So in short, you have low, medium and high protein as demonstration purposes. The sample size is very small in here, and you just turn it up. You select what type of variety you want to measure. Then you measure a baseline, so it does an empty reference measurement like a typical near-infrared transmission spectroscopy device does. Then you open, you take a small representative sample, you put it there, you close the lid, and you pressure, you wait a couple seconds. It shows the moisture as well, carbohydrates and oil. And then you can see that it's connected to a mobile app, so you can send the results. They go into your mobile phone and you get GPS location, and it's in your cloud account. So you can do multiple measurements even before harvesting to determine the quality, and you can later see them in a web dashboard on your mobile phone, the results. Yeah, well, we plan to now, the first varieties are wheat, oat, barley and rye that we are now calibrating, and we are launching here in Agritechnica, and we start selling in January in Scandinavia and Baltic countries. First is wheat, and then a couple months later comes the rest of the calibrations. We plan to continue with rapeseed and other, like corn and maize, and all these are part of our calibration program. And they are automatically updated, so if you buy the device, whatever new calibrations, varieties we will have, they will automatically come into your mobile app, and then you can select which ones you want to upload to the device itself. So the device works offline. You don't have to have online connection when you do the actual measurements. You don't even need to have the phone with you, but the phone is needed if you want to store them in your cloud account. Yeah, this device itself uses the same principle than the laboratory equipment to measure protein, but the big difference is that because it doesn't use transmission, it uses integrating method, the sample size can be very small. It's small in the big devices, but it's many subsamples need to be made. But now we just need that one sample size, which is about 80 kernels. And that is studied to be representative, statistically representative of even a bigger loads. So we don't, let's say, we don't waste. The sample size is as minimum as it statistically can be. That means that now you can do, even before harvesting, you can take a sample from few plants and you get the measurement. You don't need to have 700 milliliters or a liter of the sample size. Yeah, that's why when we went to farmers and asked what was the valuable thing, was getting it as soon as possible for making a decision instead of waiting 3 days, because the decisions need to be made now here. So it wasn't about that the lab would cost a lot of money. It was more that you need something that you can do a measurement right now and then decide. So that's of course the price of the device needs to be farmer friendly, and that's where we aimed to be. But other than that, the sample size and getting it right now, the result is the most valuable thing.